The first keto-diet-approved pizza from a national chain is rolling out across America. By Kate Taylor. Blaze Pizza says it's rolling out a keto-diet-approved pizza crust with just 6 grams of net carbs. The crust swaps flour for ingredients like flaxseeds, eggs, and cheese. The fast casual pizza chain is also rolling out new life mode pizzas. The keto pizza, the protein pizza, the vegan pizza, and the vegetarian pizza. Blaze Pizza is about to be the first national pizza chain with a keto-diet-approved crust. On Monday, the fast casual pizza chain announced the launch of a keto crust with 6 grams of net carbs, swapping flour for ingredients like flaxseeds, eggs, and cheese. Pizza crusts are traditionally made mostly of flour, water, and yeast. Blaze Pizza's executive chef, Brad Kent, told Business Insider. Removing the flour brings several challenges since the gluten and starches and sugars carbohydrates deliver the desirable light, crispy, and chewy texture in addition to its toasty and yeasty flavor. Blaze is also rolling out a new cauliflower crust. The 2 new crusts are the basis for 3 of its 4 new life mode pizzas, set to hit menus on Tuesday. Here's the new lineup of pizzas, which will be available to order online and via its app. Keto Pizza. With keto crust, spicy red sauce, mozzarella, avellini mozzarella, bacon, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, spinach. Protein Pizza. With keto crust, red sauce, mozzarella, Italian meatballs, smoked ham, grilled chicken, black olives, green bell peppers, oregano. Vegan Pizza. With original dough, red sauce, vegan cheese, spicy vegan chorizo, mushrooms, red onions, green bell peppers, basil, olive oil drizzle. Vegetarian Pizza. With cauliflower crust, red sauce, mozzarella, ricotta, artichokes, Kalamata olives, red onions, spinach. Several brands have tried to win over people on the high-fat, low-carb keto diet. In January, Chipotle rolled out a new line of bowls that included a keto salad bowl, made with carnitas, romaine lettuce, red salsa, cheese, and guacamole. Source: click on this link in the description to discover how to get your very own custom keto diet. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, favorite, follow, thumbs up, tweet, retweet, whatever. Thank you.